Hi dear students, welcome back to Guru Basava classes of class 10th grade. Okay, we were discussing about the chapter number 8, that is Introduction to Trigonometry, and also we completed examples based on trigonometric ratios, that is exercise 8.1. In this class I am going to discuss about the second topic, that is trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Here we will consider 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Determination of trigonometric ratios of some specific angles by geometric method is as trigonometric ratios for an angle 45 degree. Okay, we will find the values of all the trigonometric ratios at an angle 45 degree. Okay, see here, consider a triangle ABC right angled at angle B. Okay, right angled at B. If one of the angle is 45 degree, then what about another one angle? See here, this is a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B. That means angle B is equals to 90 degree. If one of the angle, either A you can take or either C. Okay, I will consider angle A is equals to 45. Then what about other angle? By angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree, 90 degree plus 45 degree, that is 135 degree. You transpose it to RHS part, 180 minus 135, it will be again 45 degree. Yes, and one of the angle is 45 degree, then another angle is also 45 degree. Okay, that is angle A is equals to angle C is equals to 45 degree. Okay, if in a triangle two angles are equal, then which type of triangle we will call for that? We call it as an isosceles triangle. Okay, yes, you already learnt in 9th standard that if the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are also equal, that means angle A, its opposite side is what here? BC, which is equals to angle C, its opposite side is what here? AB. Therefore BC is equals to AB. We call it as A, the side as A. Okay, yes. Now we will find the side AC here. Okay, with the help of Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, which is equals to A square plus A square, 2A square. AC is equals to under root 2A square. AC is equals to root 2A. Okay, this third side what we got? Root 2A we got. Okay, now by the definition of trigonometric ratios, we will find the values. Sin 45 degree is equals to sin 45 degree angle A. Okay, sin 45 degree is equals to, this is opposite side, this will be adjacent side, this will be hypotenuse. Okay, sin A or sin 45 degree, opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is BC divided by AC. BC is equals to A divided by AC root 2A. A will get cancelled, we left with 1 upon root 2. Therefore sin 45 degree is equals to 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 degree, adjacent side, that is AB divided by adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, that is AB divided by AC. Okay, AB, its value is A divided by root 2 A. that is cos 45 degrees is also equals to 1 upon root 2. Okay, then what about tan 45? Tan 45 degree is equals to sin 45 degree divided by cos 45 degree, that is 1 upon root 2 whole divided by 1 upon root 2. Root 2 will get cancelled, we are left with 1. Therefore tan 45 degree is equals to 1. Next, cosec 45 degree, the value of cosec 45 degree, which is equals to 1 upon sin 45 degree, that is 1 divided by 1 upon root 2. See here, numerator, denominator, this is numerator into numerator, that is root 2. Okay, therefore the value of cosec 45 degree is root 2. Next, sec 45 degree, which is equals to 1 divided by cos 45 degree. Therefore, because the reciprocal of cos 45 degree is nothing but what? Sec 45 degree. Yes, cos 45 degree 1 upon root 2. Then sec 45 degree, which is also equals to root 2. Last trigonometric ratio, that is cot 45 degree. Okay, reciprocal of tan 45 degree, that is 1 divided by 1, which is equals to 1. Trigonometric ratios for an angles of 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, consider an equilateral triangle. Consider an equilateral triangle ABC. Okay, since in equilateral triangle each angles or every angles measures 60 degree each. Okay, every angle measure 60 degree. Okay, that is angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to 60 degree. I will draw a equilateral triangle here, A, B, C, and each angle 60 degree. Draw AD. Okay, draw AD perpendicular to side BC. Draw AD perpendicular to side BC from point A. Okay, draw AD perpendicular to BC from point A. Okay, yes, if we draw a perpendicular means we will get two triangles here. Okay, that is triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD because RHS congruence, by RHS congruence. Okay, yes, if these two triangles are congruent, then BD is equals to CD. BD is equals to CD. Okay, which is equals to, I will consider here this AB length, AC length and BC length as 2A. Okay, then BD is equals to CD. It is nothing but what? A. Okay, because AD bisects the side BC means BD is equals to DC. Therefore, each BD and CD is equals to A. Okay. Yes. Now, in triangle ADB, right angle at D. Okay, right angle at D. See here, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. Why I consider this means I have to find the side AD here. Okay, yes, AB square, that is 2A square, which is equals to AD square. We have to find BD, its value is a, that is a square, that 4a square is equals to ad square plus a square, transpose a square to LHS part means 4a square minus a square is equals to ad square. It will be 3a square, or you can write like this, ad square is equals to 3a square, ad is equals to square root of 3a square, or ad is equals to root 3a. Therefore we got the perpendicular, that is AD as root 3a. The side AD is equals to root 3a. For an angle 30 degree, consider a triangle. Okay, that is in triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, right angle at D, angle D, right angle at angle D. Okay, yes. See here, sin 30 degree we have to consider. Now we have to find all the trigonometric ratios value. That is sin 30 degree is equals to opposite side, that is BD upon hypotenuse, that is AB. Okay, adjacent side will be the perpendicular, that is AD. Yes. In triangle ADB, right angle at angle D, sin 30 degree is equals to, yes, opposite side BD divided by hypotenuse AB, which is equals to A divided by 2A. A will get cancelled, we left with 1 upon 2. Therefore, the value of sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Next, cos 30 degree. Yes, cos 30 degree. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side, that is AD divided by hypotenuse AB. AD is equals to root 3a divided by hypotenuse is 2a. Okay, a will get cancelled, we left with root 3 by 2. Okay, next, tan 30 degree. You can write here direct by taking sin 30 degree divided by cos 30 degree, or tan 30 is equals to opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is BD divided by AD. BD divided by AD. Okay, BD AD what we are having? Root 3a. Okay, a will get cancelled, we left with 1 upon root 3. Okay, now fourth trigonometric ratio, that is cosec 30 degrees equals to, it is the reciprocal of sin 30 degree. Therefore 1 upon 1 divided by 2, it is nothing but what? 1 divided by sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, numerator, denominator, numerator. It means it will become 2. Therefore cosec 30 degree is equals to 2. Sec 30 degree, yeah, it reciprocal of cos, that is 2 by root 3. Yes, 1 divided by cos 30 degree, 1 divided by cos 30 degree, that is 1 upon root 3 by 2, which is nothing but what? 2 by root 3. Yes, last trigonometric ratio, that is cot 30 degree. It is the reciprocal of tan 30 degree, that is 1 divided by 1 by root 3, which is equals to root 3. Okay, dear students, now yes, for an angle 60 degree in right angle triangle ADB. Okay, in right angle triangle ADB, yes, angle B is equals to 60 degree we are having. Then its opposite side is what here? Root 3a. Okay, then adjacent side or base BD and hypotenuse AB. Okay, yes, sin 60 degree is equals to, sin 60 degree is equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is AD divided by AB. Okay, AD is how much here? Root 3a. root 3a divided by ab, that is 2a. Okay, a will get cancelled, we are left with root 3 by 2. Therefore sin 60 degree is equals to root 3 by 2. Yes, cos 60 degree, cos 60 degree is equals to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, that is bd divided by ab, bd divided by ab. Okay, yes, bd is equals to how much we are having, a divided by ab, that is 2a. A will get cancelled, we are left with 1 upon 2. Therefore the value of the trigonometric ratio cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, yes, tan 60 degree is equals to tan 60 degree, opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is AD divided by BD, which is equals to root 3a divided by a. A will get cancelled, we left with root 3. Yes, now cosec 60 degree is equals to 1 upon sin 60 degree, 1 upon sin 60 degree, because the reciprocal of sin 60 degree is cosec 60 degree, or cosec 60 degree is equals to 1 upon sin 60 degree. Yes, 1 divided by root 3 by 2, which is equals to root 2 by root 3. Okay, like that sec 60 degree is equals to 1 upon cos 60 degree, that is equals to 2 tan 60 degree, or not cot 60 degree, which is equals to 1 upon tan 60 degree, that is 1 by root 3. Okay, next we will move to trigonometric ratios for an angles of 0 degree and 90 degree. I will consider first one, that is for an angle 0 degree. We have to find the value of trigonometric ratios, all the 6 trigonometric ratios at an angle 0 degree. Okay, see here, I will consider right angle triangle ABC, right angle rectangle B, with angle A as a reference, angle of reference. See here, I drawn here 3 more triangles. Okay, as the angle A gets smaller and smaller, the length of the side BC goes on decreasing, and the point C gets closer to B. Understood? Yes. Finally, what we will get here, finally angle A becomes very close to 0. Okay, angle A becomes very close to 0 degree. Okay, 0 degree. That time, what about the side AC then? Then side AC becomes same as AB. See here, side AC becomes same as AB. Then side AC becomes same as AB. Okay. Then what about the side BC then? This one you consider it as iron, and the side AC becomes same as AB. Then what about the side BC? Then side BC becomes very close to 0. Okay, side BC is here, side BC close to 0. Understood? Very close to 0 degree. Yes. Next, what is the value of sin A, then at this condition value of sin A is equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is BC divided by AC is very close to 0, and value of cos A, which is equals to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, that is AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC is very close to 1. How we got this very close to sin A value very close to 0 and cos A value is very close to 1? Look here. When angle A is equals to 0 degree. Okay, why? Because here angle A gets smaller and smaller. That means angle A is equals to 0 degree. Then sin A is equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is BC divided by AC. BC is equals to its value, what we got here, BC, which is close to 0. That means what we will take? This one, take it as 0 divided by AC. 0 divided by AC is again 0. Therefore, sin, I will consider it as sin 0 degree, because angle A is equals to 0. Sin 0 degree is equals to 0. Okay, and next consider trigonometric ratio cos 0 degree here. What is the value of cos 0 degree? Yes, it will be 1. Why? Because cos 0 degree is equals to adjacent side, that is AB divided by hypotenuse AC. AB, its value is same here, divided by AC, its value is equals to AB. Okay, AC is equals to the side AB. Therefore, AB will get cancelled and we left with 1. Therefore, cos 0 degree is equals to 1. Understood how we got sin 0 degree is equals to 0 and cos 0 degree is equals to 1? Yes. Next, tan 0 degree is equals to sin 0 degree divided by cos 0 degree, that is 0 divided by 1, which is equals to 0. Therefore, tan 0 degree, which is equals to 0. Now, cosec 0 degree, okay, reciprocal of sin 0 degree. Cosec 0 degree is equals to reciprocal of sin 0 degree. 1 divided by sin 0 degree, its value, sin 0 degree value is 0. 1 divided by 0, which is not defined. Okay, which is not defined. 1 divided by 0 is not defined, or we may call it as infinity. Better you consider not defined. Understood? Yes. Next, trigonometric ratio value, that is sec 0 degree is equals to 1 divided by cos 0 degree. Yes, 1 divided by cos 0 degree, its value is 1. Therefore, sec 0 degree is equals to 1. Next, last trigonometric ratio, that is cot 0 degree is equals to, it is the reciprocal of tan 0 degree. Therefore, 1 divided by tan 0 is 0. Therefore, cot 0 degree is equals to not defined. Next, we will move to for an angle 90 degree. Okay. Consider a right angle triangle ABC, right angle angle B. Okay. In this condition, as angle A gets larger and larger, okay, angle C gets smaller and smaller, and the length of the side goes on decreasing, and the point A comes closer to B, and the point A comes closer to B. Okay, finally angle A becomes very close to 90 degree. Okay, finally angle A becomes very close to 90 degree. Then what about angle C? Then angle C becomes very close to 0 degree. Angle C comes very close to 0 degree. Okay, and the side AC and the side AC and the side AC, look here, and the side AC coincides with the side BC. Okay, and the side AC coincides with the side BC. Okay, then what about the side AB? The side AB becomes very close to 0 degree. Okay, the side AB becomes very close to 0 degree. Yes. Thus, then what is the value of sin A then? Value of sin A is equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. That is, sin A is equals to BC divided by AC is very close to 1, and the value of value of cos A is equals to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. AB divided by AC is equals to very close to 0. Thus, angle A is equals to 90 degree. Okay, suppose thus angle A is equals to 90 degree, then sin A is equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, BC divided by AC. Okay, BC as it is AC, the side AC is here, the side AC coincides with BC or not, therefore AC may be written as BC. BC divided by BC, which is equals to 1, therefore sin A is equals to 1. Therefore sin A, the value of sin not A, you consider it as 90 degree, therefore sin 90 degree is equals to 1, because angle A we considered here 90 degree, therefore sin 90 degree is equals to 1. Like that, cos 90 degree, what is the value of cos 90 degree? Yes, cos 90 degree is equals to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, that is base divided by hypotenuse, AB divided by AC. Okay, AB, what we are having value here? 0. Okay, 0 divided by AC, which is equals to 0. Therefore, cos 90 degree is equals to 0. Next, third trigonometric ratio, the value of tan 90 degree is equals to sin divided by cos, 1 divided by 0, which is not defined, or infinity. Okay, yes, tan over, next cosec 90 degree is equals to 1 upon sin 90 degree, that is 1 divided by 1, which is equals to 1. Therefore cosec 90 degree is equals to 1. Next, sec 90 degree, which is equals to reciprocal of cos 90 degree, that is cos, what we got? 0. Therefore 1 divided by 0, which is not defined, its value is not defined. Sec 90 degree, its value is not defined. Last trigonometric ratio, that is cot 90 degree is equals to the reciprocal of tan 90 degree. Okay, yes, what will get here? 1 divided by 1 upon 0. Okay, this is numerator, denominator, this is again numerator. 0 into 1 divided by 1, that is 0 divided by 1 is equals to 0. Therefore cot 90 degree is equals to 0. Okay,